What's good, YouTube? CBG Nick back with another video, and I just came from work. LIB hosting a little meet at Fort Totten Park, so you know, I'm about to go look for a park, say what's up to the guys and whatnot.
Bobby outside.
Just came from work, you already know.
Was working hard.
Yeah.
Gang.
All right, y'all. As you guys can see here, we outside, man. We at Fort Totten. Y'all know the spot. We got a Lamborghini Huracan right here. This is clean. This is fire. Look at this license plate. It says Ferrari on it, y'all. But it's a Lambo. Right next to us, we got an M4. Look like on the TEs. Y'all see it. We got a F80 right here, right next to it. And we got another Huracan right here. This one got a spoiler in the back, though. This is tough. This is crazy. This your car, Brody?
Nah. They just walked away.
It's fire. Nah, these rims are tough, y'all. Got an M3 right here, E9X. Got an M8, red DRLs. We got Burr's car. It's crazy, y'all. Got a 360 motor, I think 360 Motorsport over there with his M340R. Got an M5 right there too. Yeah, 360 Motorsports. 4MOB sticker right there. On the tire too, y'all. Look at that. This is crazy. Oh, you 4MOB. It was good. Nice to meet you, bro. Got detail on the BBSs right over there. We got cars for days, bro. Got an M4 CS. Got a G80. My boy Frozen outside. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it. With the pole in the back. It's good. My way, chilling. Oh, nah. He's bugging. But we got an M2, got supercharged Kings right here. This is crazy with the underglow. Oh my gosh. Blue interior. Looks like forged carbon right there. My guy got bread. How y'all feel about the soft tops on the G8Xs? I mess with them. Oh snap, look at the splitter though. That's fire. But the G8X, the soft tops, I feel like you can't do too much with them, you know what I'm saying? But this is fire. We got a G90. Look at the bumper, y'all. This is crazy. Got a G90 on the HREs. Nah, this is tough, y'all. It's fire. We got a pink Challenger, wide body, next to an Audi. I think this is a S5. Yeah, it's a S5 with a Civic right here. This is fire, y'all. That one, my boy. Let's go, Brody. Chilling.
GTA cars?
This shit is crazy loud. Got an M2. It's crazy.
It's like the M2 Club over here.
Oh my gosh.
The manual M2 Club.
And we got other cars over here too. Got an orange F8X. I like this. I like this color. This color on this, yeah. This is fire. This is fire. But as you guys can see here, it was raining, so there's not as much cars out, but there's good quality cars out. There's a Nesta car right there next to a M8. Nah, the Huracan is wild in chat. I got tacos in the car. I want to go eat my tacos.
Nah, we gotta talk to you, bro.
Quick little, you know what I'm saying, snack break. For what I'm saying, I'm mad hungry, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm about to get back to it. Got EMG ski. Place says Noah Hezzy. He be crashing out. I know he be crashing out, chat. Bless you. 180. The carbon fiber. Money, man. That's 2K?
Look at that intercooler.
We got an SVR, y'all. SVR.
It's so funny he tried.
I got a carbon fiber fender. Oh shoot. Oh! Shit! Oh! Yo, they I love these RS3s. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. Cops shut down everything. My guy playing Zest. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. For what I'm saying, everybody left. This shit got cleared out like crazy. But make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. This is a little short vlog. Niggas just got out of work and it's a Wednesday, you know what I'm saying? Do all the YouTube shit, like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, safety, huh?